We are having a little bit of a snowstorm here in Anchorage today. We are about 6 inches shy of breaking our all-time record for snow. So far we've had over 126 inches, I think. A view of my front yard. The ladders for getting the frisbee off the roof when I miss throwing for the dog, Max. Bring it here, Max. Come on. Bring it. Come on, bud. Fetch it. He's my snow plow. My snow thrower. Come here, Max. Come here. Come on now. Bring it. Fetch. Fetch it. Dang dog. Max, bring it. He knows to bury it and dig it back up. Look, he's almost disappeared. Come on. Heel. Good boy. Ready? Bad throw. Anyway, that's my winter. How's yours going?